Now imagine missing out on one of the cleanest Air Max collabs of the year. Not because it sold out too fast, but because the Levi's app just couldn't handle the heat. Today we're taking a look at the Levi's Air Max 95 in the Orewood Brown colorway, so this is the white colorway. A rugged pair with denim DNA and a release that was, well, a little bit of a shambles. If you're into premium design, collab history and a bit of sneaker drama, you're in the right place. Please hit that subscribe button, give me a like, and let's get into it. Dropped back at the beginning of July for around $190 via the Levi's app, and the launch was absolute chaos. People were stuck in queues, cards were bugging out, and the app was just moving slower than dial-up internet. For a collab this good, the execution was pretty disappointing. Honestly, Levi's, you make jeans, not apps, so I'd stick to what you're good at. The design though, an absolute banger. The upper ditches the traditional mesh and leather for layers of washed denim, canvas, and a textured textile finish that really leans into the heritage workwear feel. You've got subtle contrast through the sandy tone, hints of cream and khaki, and a lovely faded brown base that gives it a vintage, broken in feel. The Levi's red tab on the side, clean, co-branded insoles, and heel details even better. Now, Levi's also dropped a matching denim jacket and jeans as part of the capsule, and I can't lie, they go hard. The jacket especially has that classic Type 3 trucker silhouette, but with custom Nike detailing stitching throughout. I've got my eyes on both, but right now they're pretty expensive. Like, resale prices are pushing serious money, but I keep checking the stock prices every now and then. I definitely need both. If you did manage to grab the full set, shoes, jacket and the trousers, you've got a proper statement fit. Easily one of the best coordinated sneaker fits of the year. This isn't Nike's and Levi's first rodeo. They dropped the denim dunks, those iconic Jordan 4s, and even some 501 inspired Air Forces. But this one just feels more rooted in heritage over hype. It's less Instagram flex and more this belongs in a vintage Americana lookbook. As for the fit, it's true to size. There's still an Air Max 95 under all that denim, so comfort's there, solid sole, solid support. The upper materials are a bit stiff out of the box thanks to that canvas and denim layers, but like a good pair of jeans, they'll soften over time. I'll style them with some cargos, oversized flannels, or if you're feeling really brave, go full Canadian tuxedo and rock the matching Levi's set. So, was all the hassle worth it? For me, yeah, the Levi's Air Max 95 in this Orewood Brown is clean, creative, and well built. It's the type of collab you wear, not stash. If only Levi's had sorted the tech side, this drop could have been flawless. Let me know in the comments, did you grab the sneakers, or maybe even the jacket, or the trousers, or did the Levi's app ruin your day just like it did mine? Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and tap that bell if you want more sneaker reviews and actually go beyond the hype. Until next time, cheers for watching and take care.
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was destined. Cause I feel I got the blessing, persistence and obsession. That's how you keep progressing, I already learned that lesson, yeah. I'm changing